pretty fast, kid, but not fast enough. Thank you. You forced me to up my game, not only with this gun, but with how I think about the job. It's been educational.
This is a prototype cold gun. 4 times the size, 4 times the power.
I was wondering who you were talking to. You've never killed anyone.
It's the first time for everything, Captain Cold. I will shoot you.
You win, kid.
Leave the diamond.
Don't push your luck.
This is actually the Star Labs vacuum cleaner with a lot of LEDs.
Thank you.